Hello, everyone. It's Amanda here with you, and I'm glad that you are tuning in today. I have some very important information for you that I would like to share and take the time to go over with you. For those that don't know, I was away at Costa Rica in Playa Conchal last week, and I was actually having a business meeting with a very great friend of mine, not only that, business partner. And I am just excited because in 2020, we have a lot of things that are coming up that's going to change a lot of lives. And for those that don't know, I've been marketing since 2016 and I've been in direct mail since 2016. And it has helped me to earn a full-time income. And I want to do the same for others. I want to inspire someone, to help someone to realize that they can work from home if they want to, if they want to spend more time with their family, have an additional income, replace the income that they currently have. It is possible. Someone mentored me and helped me to achieve the success that I have today, and I'm giving back. Okay, that's what I'm doing. When I have these videos, I'm looking to just inspire people and let people know that if I can do it, they can do it. So with that said, for those that don't know, I normally don't promote a lot of new opportunities. As you can see, I'm really consistent about what I promote because I feel like there's not a lot of really great programs out there. And sometimes when you think you found the right program, it doesn't last long enough. Okay. So then you go from one program to the next and you're jumping around. And that can be very disappointing for a lot of people. And it starts to make you feel like, what you're looking at may not work, or you're not really in the right direction and you don't know which way to go. So what I want to share with you is today at 5:30 Eastern, we have a webinar that's going on. In the description below is the link for this webinar. And if you are available, I want you to take a look at this opportunity because it's not like anything I've ever seen before. I've been in direct mail and I've never had an opportunity that has so many key elements that a lot of programs are missing that is going to allow people to be successful. This is not Impact Mailing Club. And I'm sorry, my allergies, guys. And this is not anything that you have ever seen before because it's brand spanking new. But the person that stands behind this program is very transparent. I've known him for years. And I'm excited about this because with a lot of programs, people feel like they're salespeople, that they have to be salesy and they have to sell their program. When you get into an opportunity, it needs to sell itself, not you have to go into this whole pitch and have to be able to sell the opportunity so that people can buy into it and you can get paid. That's not what we want to do in this business. We want something that pretty much stands on two legs on its own, and it gives enough value so that people just automatically see it and they want it. And that's what you're going to get when you hear about this opportunity today. You're going to get something that is going to be able to stand on its own too without you having to sell the opportunity. You're going to have people that are going to explain the opportunity and close the deals for you. And you may have seen this before. You may have heard of people, closers before, but I've never gotten it with a program that had closers because if I don't know those people, I'm not going to put my trust in those people that they're going to do their job and that they're going to be legit and they're going to answer the phone and they're going to return calls, because that normally doesn't happen. But with this particular program, the people that stand behind closing the deals, making sure that people are getting paid so that they build momentum and they really win in 2020, that's really going to happen. And I'm just excited about it because this is going to change a lot of lives. People are going to be able to literally give out a phone number with their ID and have closers close the deals for them. So they don't have to explain the program. You don't have to know jack diddly squat about the program. You don't have to worry about learning a lot of education about how direct mail works, how postcard programs work, why they're beneficial, what products stand behind them. What is the product? You don't have to know any of that. Now, all you're going to have to do is give out a phone number, and you're going to have the leads to give those phone numbers to. You don't have to go looking for these people. And not only that, People are going to pick up the phone and call these people and close them on your behalf. And again, there's no postcard program that's out that's like that. Not only that, with this program, you're going to get stamps, okay? So you don't have to worry about purchasing a ton of stamps. You're going to get the postcards, you're going to get the leads, and you're going to get your own professional closer that's going to close all the deals for you. So again, guys, I'm truly excited about this. I was in Costa Rica doing a little bit of business, but also getting to enjoy the wonderful things that come with Costa Rica that I've never seen before. And it was a great experience. But what I love is that I was able to connect with like-minded people that really want to see people win, that really want to see people actually change their financial situation in 2020. And they're doing everything in their power to make it as simple and easy for people to be able to duplicate other people's results. And that's the thing. A lot of people are like, Amanda, you do so well, you make so much, and you know, it's so consistent. I can't pick up that consistency. Now in 2020, you're going to be able to do that, and you're going to be able to do it easy. And I'm just really excited about this opportunity. I'm excited about what's to come with it and how many people are going to actually start earning with this opportunity. So again, guys, the information for this webinar is in the description below. Please make sure that you get on to just get the information of what's about to happen, because it's going to be an eye-opener, and it's going to be very powerful for a lot of people, and it's going to change a lot of lives. So I want to say thank you for viewing this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get more videos about what it is that I do. And again, the webinar link is in the description. I'm hoping to see you at this live webinar, and hopefully you'll join it and you'll have a lot of success with this opportunity. I don't see a way that people won't be able to unless you just absolutely do nothing. But the 90% of the work is going to be done for you, and that's going to be a game changer. So thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you later on tonight. Bye-bye.